Namaste. I received some questionnaire from Zadwa. Oh, those who are not familiar with Zadwa, it's a social media platform which connects both school and parents with pan India presence. Thank you, Zadwa, for this initiative. I am from Skalvi. Confused? What is Skalvi? Let me present to you.
Skalvi is an ecologically sensitive and a spiritually engaging institution. We are committed to provide success through insight, knowledge, positive attitude and learning based on virtuosity and inventiveness. At Skalvi, we believe that success is comprised of 88% right attitude and 12% education, and the attitude is nothing but your habits. Here, we promise the right habits are introduced, groomed, nurtured, and stirred towards the right direction. For life beyond academics, students will have the opportunity to participate in various activities like cricket, swimming, skating, yoga, and even as far as training in Western and Indian instrumental music and dance. Our success mantra and your 10 reasons to choose Skalvi for your kids. We provide student-driven education. Our concentration is on inner motivation, hobby happy hours, our unique pedagogy. We teach kids knowing by doing. We provide an opportunity where they teach and learn. Healthy food supply. Skalvi cash flow. STEM with human hold. And life beyond academics. Our vision is to create a learning community dedicated to academic excellence, spiritual growth, and service.
Thanks for watching. Now you know about Skalvi. Can we check what answer Zadwa wants from me?
What is the major problem that educators are facing now, and what solutions, according to you, are feasible at this stage?
Good question. For that, we need to understand what is school education. Is it just information feeding center or knowledge building? Skalvi is concerned, definitely not. For me, school is a celebration center, the place where every child should blossom. As an educator, my duty is to provide a space for a child to succeed through insight, knowledge, positive attitude, and learning through virtuosity and inventiveness. As an educator, it is also my responsibility to make a child to think creatively, skillfully, proficiently, lead them from dependency to interdependency. For me, leading them to creativeness, teach them about teamwork and edification, develop communication and presentation skills, like many more we try to achieve at Skalvi. So naturally, it needs an environment. But now, the most challenging part of this lockdown is the connectivity. That is my school, which is the common ground. As we are unable to access that ground, according to me, only feasible at this stage is to utilize different platforms. Multimedia is our savior, and we channeled ourselves to reach out existing, new and future parents. In fact, I am happy my team took up the challenge and adapted themselves to these new testing times.
How is your school planning to tackle this long learning gap?
To be honest, by the end of February, all portions were covered and we were midway with the revision when lockdown was announced. The academic year 1920s learning was taken care without any hiccups. As per the schedule, school would have declared summer vacation until 31st May. I don't think that long learning gap situation will arise, especially at Skalvi. Already we are in touch with every child and parents on regular basis to engage our students during the lockdown period. We initiated offline classes through Skalvi Virtual Classroom with the help of Google. If the school does not resume by 1st June, then we will start online classes so that learning is not affected. And we are also working with a different platform where we can bring in our own app, our own software to connect with our children. So, nothing to worry about this long learning gap.
This situation is surely confusing for the kids, and for them, this might be just a long vacation. So, once the lockdown relaxes, it can be stressful to maintain social distancing on the school campus. So, once the school reopens, how is Skalvi planning to address this?
The situation is confusing when it is not understood, but the scenario is different here. Children do understand what is happening around them. This generation is better informed than ours. Their understanding capacity is much better. Not only that, parents of this generation communicate effectively with their children and keep them updated. Once the school reopens, we will be taking all necessary precautions and enforce all the guidelines given by the education sector.
Many parents are expressing concern over admission process. What is your suggestion to them?
There is nothing to be concerned about admission. Skalvi is concerned that is completely digitalized process. Parents can gather enough information from website or social media about the school. Then they just need to connect our contact numbers. Our team will arrange online presentation and do required counseling. Once convinced, they can complete all the process online. My suggestion, stay home, collect enough facts about the school, verify and use the technology.
While we have several online platforms to cover the learning gap, do you think an online portal would help you ease your admission process as well?
Yes, like I mentioned, life is on technology. We are already in a process of developing a tool for complete distance learning, especially suitable for younger ones, enhancing ourselves to the change. Yes, definitely, online portal is the only option.
Lastly, can you please share some message to all the educators out there?
In Sanskrit, it is said, Yatadabhi Gamishyati. That too shall pass. Parivartanameva Sthiramasti. The only constant is change. As I mentioned, attitude is everything. Be positive. For every situation, there will be a solution. Wise will take control over it. After every sunset, there has to be sunrise. We need to just manage the gap. Hope you got some answer, and please do visit Sculvey International School if you are looking for a life beyond academics. Stay home to keep you safe. Always maintain social distancing. Say namaste. Save our family, save our culture, and save our nation. Thank you very much.